In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and enhance your audio using Audiomass right in your browser. Start by opening your browser and heading to audiomass.co. Once the page loads, bring your audio into the project. You can drag and drop a file straight onto the window or use the on-screen option to import from your device. After it loads, you'll see your waveform displayed across the timeline, which is where all the editing happens. To make basic edits, first get comfortable with selecting parts of the waveform. Click and drag across the section you want to work on. If you need to remove unwanted bits, like long silences or mistakes, select that region and cut it. If you prefer to keep the timing but silence a breath, a cough, or a background click, use the mute or silence function on that selection. Take your time, zoom in if necessary for precision, and remember you can undo if something doesn't sound right. With the structure cleaned up, it's time to improve the sound quality using effects. Start with gain to adjust the overall loudness of a clip. If your recording is too quiet, gently increase the gain, keeping an eye on the waveform so it doesn't clip at the top. If it's too loud, pull the gain back to leave a little headroom. Use fade in and fade out to smooth the beginnings and endings of clips. A short fade in prevents harsh starts, and a fade out avoids abrupt cutoffs, especially at transitions or the end of your audio. If you hear a steady background hiss or hum, try noise reduction. Select a portion where only the noise is present, then apply a subtle reduction to avoid warbling artifacts. It's better to do a light pass and listen than to overdo it. Graphic EQ helps shape the tone. Gently reduce low frequencies to clean up rumble and add a touch of presence in the mid-high range for clarity on voices. Small focused adjustments usually sound more natural than extreme boosts. A compressor evens out dynamics, making quiet parts a little louder and loud peaks more controlled. Set a moderate threshold so only the louder moments are tamed, and keep the ratio reasonable for a transparent result. This is great for podcasts, voiceovers, and dialogue. Finally, normalize to bring the peak level of your track to a consistent target. This ensures your audio plays back at an appropriate loudness without clipping. As you work, make one change at a time, listen and refine. With cutting, muting, and a few thoughtful effects, gain, fades, noise reduction, EQ, compression, and normalization, you'll turn a rough recording into a polished, professional-sounding track.